Cancer is the #1 cause of death in dogs. I hate cancer, and I love dogs, so I'm going to show you exactly how to stack the odds in your dog's favor and lower their risk in just 5 easy steps. First, we need to understand what cancer is. At its core, cancer is just cells gone rogue. Normally, your dog's cells divide, live their lives, and die off when they're supposed to. But sometimes DNA gets damaged. A cell mutates. Instead of dying, it keeps dividing out of control, forming tumors and invading healthy tissue. Now that we know what cancer is, let's see what the biggest drivers for it are. Age. The older a dog gets, the more times their cells have divided. Every division is a chance for a DNA error. Normally, those mistakes get repaired, but with age, repair systems wear down and the immune system weakens. That's why cancer risk skyrockets in senior dogs. Genetics. Some breeds are simply loaded with risk. Golden retrievers are prone to hemangiosarcoma, boxers to mast cell tumors, and Bernese mountain dogs to histiocytic sarcoma. Genetics don't guarantee cancer, but they definitely load the dice. Inflammation. Short-term inflammation heals injuries, but chronic inflammation, from obesity, dental disease, or skin infections, keeps cells dividing and damaging DNA. More division equals more cancer risk. Oxidative stress. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage DNA. They can build up from pollution, UV rays, cigarette smoke, and rancid fats. When they overwhelm the body's defenses, mutations happen. Carcinogens. These are direct cancer-causing substances. Dogs can pick them up from smoke, lawn chemicals, air pollution, mold in food, and even burn scraps off the grill. Hormones. Reproductive hormones fuel growth in reproductive organs. That's why spaying or neutering lowers certain cancer risks, though timing matters by breed. Immune system. A strong immune system wipes out rogue cells every day, but with age, stress, illness, or long-term meds, that defense weakens and cancer can slip through. So now that we know its biggest drivers, we can target those causes and create a plan of action. Step 1. Get their weight under control. 59% of dogs in the US are overweight or obese. Odds are your dog is too. If you can't easily feel their ribs, they're overweight. A healthy abdomen should tuck higher than the chest. Being overweight equals higher cancer risk, more joint pain, diabetes, heart strain, and a shorter life. Fix it. Find your dog's daily calorie needs. You can use petobesityprevention.org or ask your vet to determine how much they need. Measure food with a cup or scale. If you guess or free feed, you're setting yourself up for failure. Don't forget to count their treats when adding up calories. If you feed treats, keep them under 10% of daily calories. And better yet, use low-calorie swaps like carrots or green beans. And don't forget to exercise daily. Real walks, not just potty breaks. Let them run and have fun. Step 2. Stay on top of dental health. Brush their teeth 3 to 4 times a week with dog-safe toothpaste. This removes plaque before it hardens. Use VOHC-approved dental chews or safe chew toys. Chewing scrapes plaque and massages gums, reducing bacteria. Get a professional dental cleaning once a year. It clears the buildup you can't reach at home. Do these 3 things and you've eliminated one of the biggest daily inflammation sources in your dog's body. And a bonus is, you don't have to deal with stinky dog breath. Step 3. Cut down chemical and toxin exposure. Don't smoke around your dog. Secondhand smoke is full of carcinogens. Limit lawn pesticides and chemicals. Wipe their paws and belly after running on treated grass. Store kibble properly. Keep it in a sealed container in a cool spot. Toss spoiled or moldy food. Rancid fats and mold toxins equals carcinogens. Step 4. Reduce oxidative stress through diet. Add dog-safe fruits and vegetables that are high in antioxidants to their meals. Berries, greens, and vibrant veggies are all powerful options. I like to rotate and give my dog a wide variety. Add omega-3s such as fish oil to fight inflammation. Make sure you choose a quality brand and store it in the fridge to prevent oxidation. Avoid charred meat scraps and rancid fats. Both fuel oxidative stress and DNA damage. And lastly, at step number 5, give them lots of love and affection. Reducing stress and boosting happiness isn't just good for the soul. It strengthens their body's defenses against cancer. Cancer may not always be preventable, but if you follow this game plan, you're helping to stack the odds in your dog's favor for a longer, healthier, happier life. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more health hacks for you and your pets.